Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to change your medical info in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So our Samsung device have this little option here that we can store our medical information in one place. So settings, we're looking for safety, yes, safety and emergency options here, and at the top we have medical info. What's here? There's a lot of here. Record your allergies, current medication and other medical information so it's available in an emergency. It's everything in one place. Name, medical conditions, blood type, etc. Everything that can be needed in emergency. We can just enter our medical conditions, for example here, by simply tapping on the keyboard. There is no dropout list, and all the info is here. Don't forget to save your list. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.